1. One meal a day. If you're looking to maximize your intermittent fasting results, consider adopting the one meal a day approach. It is a fasting regimen where you consume all your daily calories in a single meal, typically within a 1-hour eating window. This strategy has gained popularity because of its potential to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. When you practice one meal a day, your body experiences an extended fasting period, which can promote several benefits. First, it can enhance your insulin sensitivity significantly. As discussed in the previous script, insulin resistance is a common issue linked to weight gain and various health problems. One meal a day helps combat this by giving your body ample time without food, allowing it to reset and improve its response to insulin. Moreover, it can be particularly effective if you have a slow metabolism or if you've struggled to see results with other fasting methods. It pushes your body to tap into its stored fat reserves for energy, aiding in weight loss. However, it's crucial to consult with your doctor and dietitian before embarking on such a dietary change to ensure it's safe and suitable for your individual health needs. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and continue this video by typing "I am healthy" in the comments below. 2. Combine keto with fasting. Another powerful strategy for maximizing intermittent fasting results is to combine it with a ketogenic keto diet. Keto is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate eating plan designed to shift your body into a state of ketosis, where it primarily burns fat for fuel. When paired with fasting, it can amplify the benefits. The key here is to lower your carbohydrate intake while extending your fasting periods. This combination helps address insulin resistance, a primary contributor to weight gain. By minimizing carbs and reducing the frequency of meals, you create an environment where your body becomes more efficient at processing insulin and utilizing stored fat for energy. Intermittent fasting and keto complement each other well, as they both aim to improve insulin sensitivity and promote fat loss. However, it's essential to prioritize nutrient-dense foods, maintain hydration, and ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs while following this approach. Always consult with a healthcare professional to customize the plan to your specific requirements. 3. Stay consistent. Consistency is the cornerstone of success when it comes to intermittent fasting. Weight loss and health improvements don't happen overnight, so it's crucial to stay committed to the process over time. One common pitfall to avoid is obsessively weighing yourself daily. Weight loss with intermittent fasting is gradual, and daily fluctuations can be discouraging. Instead, consider taking before photos when you start your fasting journey and compare them with photos taken after 2 weeks or a month. This visual progress can be more motivating than daily numbers. Another indicator of consistency is when your appetite and cravings diminish. This suggests that your body has adapted to the fasting regimen and you're becoming truly consistent. Focus on other positive changes in your health, like increased energy levels or improved mood, which can be equally important. Remember, the primary goal should be to prioritize your overall health before weight loss. Intermittent fasting is a tool to achieve this balance. Share your tips for staying consistent in the comments below. Congratulations, you've completed half of the tips for maximum intermittent fasting results. The next half is packed with more valuable and exciting content. So let's dive into the rest of the video together, and please hit the like button if you found the video helpful. 4. Try high-intensity interval training workouts. High-intensity interval training is a valuable addition to your intermittent fasting routine. It involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by periods of rest. This type of workout can spike your growth hormone levels by up to 700%, making it more effective than traditional cardio exercises like treadmill workouts. However, it's essential to strike a balance with high-intensity interval training. Doing it too frequently, such as daily, can lead to diminished results because your body needs adequate rest for recovery. Aim to incorporate these workouts into your routine once or twice a week, ensuring you have sufficient rest between sessions. High-intensity interval training not only boosts fat burning, but also improves overall cardiovascular fitness and metabolism. It's an excellent way to complement your intermittent fasting efforts and enhance your weight loss journey. 5. Herbal teas for insulin. Incorporating specific herbal teas into your intermittent fasting routine can help improve insulin sensitivity, a key factor in achieving maximum results. Two noteworthy options are berberine and green tea. Berberine, a natural compound found in certain plants, has been shown to effectively decrease insulin resistance. It can even be used as a weight loss supplement. You can easily integrate berberine tea into your daily routine by drinking it throughout the day. Green tea is another excellent choice. It contains compounds like catechins that are known to enhance insulin sensitivity and promote fat loss. Green tea can be consumed as a calorie-free beverage during your fasting window, supporting your goals. Additionally, apple cider vinegar, although not a tea, deserves a mention. It has demonstrated effectiveness in lowering blood sugar levels, reducing insulin levels, and aiding fat loss. Simply add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to a glass of water and consume it before your meal for potential benefits. 6. Understand fasting benefits. To make the most of your intermittent fasting journey, it's crucial to understand the underlying benefits. Intermittent fasting isn't just about weight loss. It's a powerful tool for improving overall health. By fasting intermittently, you're essentially mimicking a natural state that our bodies evolved to handle: periods without constant eating. This practice helps turn off detrimental processes in your body while activating positive changes, primarily by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Insulin resistance is a root cause of weight gain and many chronic health problems. Fasting becomes a vital and effective tool in addressing these issues. It can help you break free from years of unhealthy eating habits and contribute significantly to your well-being. Embrace intermittent fasting as a holistic approach to health, with weight loss as one of its positive outcomes. There you have it, folks, the top 6 tips for achieving maximum results with intermittent fasting. If you found these tips valuable and want more insightful content on health, fitness, and wellness, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these tips.